Alright guys, if you want to find out how to get this look, stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, we're going to hop straight into the video. As of right now, I'm simply placing this pink onto my eyelid. I'm smoking it out using my brush in circular motions. Now I'm going to continue to do that until I get it where I want. I'm using a Pro Concealer HD from a local beauty supply store to cut my crease. To cut my crease, what I'm first going to do is outline it. Now I'm filling it in with the Pro Concealer. Now once I have my eyelid completely filled, I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. Using a lighter shade of pink, I'm going to take that and put it on my eyelid right where I cut my crease. Now I'm going to constantly go back and forth from the palette to my eyelid just to build up the pink. And I'm going to continue to do that until I see the light pink color that I want. Now going back to that Barbie pink shade, I'm going to add a little bit more above the cut crease just to blend it out more. For a foundation, I'm using Fit Me in a color 40. This is absolutely my favorite inexpensive foundation. You can get it from anywhere from Walgreens to Rite Aid to Walmart. This foundation only cost me about $8 and it really does the job. It's also a full coverage foundation as well. Alright, the next step of course will be highlighting. I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, as well as my chin and above my top lip. For contouring, I'm going to mix a light brown with a dark brown just to get the right color shade to go on my cheeks. I'm going to add some color back into my face using this method. To bake, I'm going to use the Social Buttercup Satin Powder, and I'm just adding that in the same places where I added the concealer. I'm also going to use this setting powder right below my cheek contour just to sharpen it up. To wipe off the setting powder, I'm using my NYX Powder Foundation. And I'm just taking my brush and wiping off the excess setting powder. I'm using my Fit Me blush in the shade Rose and adding that to the same place I contoured. And of course, the last step to adding the color back in my face would be bronzing. So I'm using my Tarte bronzer and applying that right above my blush. For highlight, I'm using a NK Makeup Perfection highlighter on my cheekbones, as well as the middle of my nose and the top part of my lip.
And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like so clear to see. Like, why were you acting suspiciously? You said that you needed some room to breathe, and all I ever wanted was your honesty. I just don't know what to believe. Just don't lie to
Alright guys, so this is my final look. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video down below.